good morning in Dyana's kitchen. This morning I want to show you how to make some scrambled eggs from scratch. This is everything that I'm going to use. Guys, this is my eggs. This is my 4 eggs, guys, that I'm going to use. All right, I'm going to use a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, guys, and I'm going to use some long leaf butter and some off and off. Okay, guys, so let's start. Okay, guys, so this is my butter, guys. Okay. So guys, I already threw my eggs in. So now I'm just gonna stir it. So we're doing scrambled egg. So this is the scrambled egg, guys. Just make it catch a little bit, guys. Just keep on stirring before you do scrambled egg. Okay? And it's better to do in a non-stick pan. Okay, guys, so you just keep on stirring, guys. And if you're doing it again, doing it in a non-stick pan or non-stick pan, it's better. Okay? So guys, right now we're gonna throw some salt and some black pepper, guys. Okay? So guys, what I go ahead and do, I throw some salt, just a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Okay? Alright, and guys, once your pot hot and you throw in your eggs and it catch a bit, you can put it on medium heat, but you don't want your egg to burn. Okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to remove this off the stove because I don't want my egg to dry out. Alright, it's already done, so I'm going to remove it off the stove now. Hey guys, so this is my scrambled egg, guys. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, guys, and you want me to make something, please let me know, okay? And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And share if you like. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.